How to fix this Apple ID has been already used in iTunes Store. Hey everyone, welcome back to this quick tutorial video. Today I will guide you that how can you fix the problem like this Apple ID has been already used in the iTunes Store. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open App Store on your iPhone. Alright, after you open App Store, at the top right corner, tap on your profile icon. And from your account section, tap on your Apple account. Okay, from your account setting, tap on manage payment. And from the add payment section, you'll have to just confirm with your payment method like your Visa, MasterCard or American Express, and after you provide all of the credentials like your number, expiry date, your CVV code, and for that way you'll have to just also provide your billing address. So simply tap on the option billing address. Alright, so from the section billing name and billing address, you'll have to provide your all of the details like your street, your city, country, postcode or your phone number, and after you provide all of the details or credential from here, you'll have to just tap on the option done just at the top right corner. Alright, so you have to just complete all of the details from here, and after you complete all of the details, your problem will be solved now. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to give a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.